folks, it's a rarity. It's Monday morning around 5 o'clock. Got one boat in the lot, not one trailer in the lot. Got two boats over here, probably Mike Blantley and another guide, waiting for their crew. The bait shop just opened up. I'm waiting for Rudy to show up. The wind is kind of sporadic right now. It blows a little bit, then shuts down. I don't know what that's all about. Had a few raindrops on the windshield. My wind gauge is gone. They took the flag down. Ooh, there it goes. Tide's blowing pretty good, about 10 miles an hour. God getting ready over there, getting his bait, his ice. Ford transporter and the Bayflat Junior over there. Plugs in, got a full tank of gas. We're ready. Morning folks, we're on the water, heading out. Might be a short trip, might be a long trip, never know. I just want to catch a couple. When's the last time we were out, man? It'll be a long time.
Last Monday.
So a week ago. So it's been a Monday a week ago that we've been out, folks. That's too long. Way too long. Pretty. Had a few raindrops, but that was about it. A couple clouds in the sky. Alright folks, another rarity. There ain't one boat out here, not one. The water looks kind of brown looking. We ain't seen put the lures over to see what it looks like yet. The one cloud got this wind blowing pretty good. It goes away, it ought to calm down a little bit. Whew. Got some swells out here. We're going to be on them. There we are. Right there, folks. Right on it. What's the tide supposed to be doing?
We got falling tide at 7:30.
Alright, that sounds good. I can live with that. That's probably why there's nobody out here, folks. You lose sight of that lure about 6 inches below the water. We're going to see what happens. I'll give the effort. Folks should be able to get you a limit of whistling ducks out here. I don't know why they're all over this track. I don't know if you can see those pelicans coming our way, about 9 of them. They cruising the tracks too, trying to find bait. I seen one minnow jump down here about 45 minutes, ain't hit nothing. I'm gonna give it a try out here on the south side of the North Draw. We're gonna do nothing, we're gonna call it a day. Water's about a 3+, not good at all. Okay, what we got? Rock?
Rock and a hard.
Rock, that's alright. I'm gonna come out here and get my limit of these whistling ducks right along the bridge here. Folks, I don't know. I think we might be wasting our time. The water's just not looking good at all. But we've been out here with dirty water before and caught some nice trout. So we're gonna troll on out to 174. We don't get nothing, call it a day.
Like you got
folks, we got here at 6:45.
Got a little specky.
A little trouty wowie, all right. 6:45. I mean 5:45, 5:55, and 6:42 we caught a trout.
Yeah, there you go.
Or should I say Rudy caught a trout? That's a good sign, though. Shit. All right, folks, Rudy got one back to back here. Things are looking up. I don't know what it is yet. That's the beauty part about fishing. You don't know what it is till you get it to the boat. Oh yeah. Check this water out. There you go. Nice. Oh! I got him on film for you. Alright folks, Rudy's hooked up again. I'm being skunked, but he's over here tearing them up. Whoa, croaker. Croaker. Got something here.
Over this way.
Catfish?
I don't know what he is.
Trouty Marty, folks. Trouty Marty.
Back the road.
Looking for signs, folks. We caught 3 trout right here. See them pelicans out there? They've been diving and feeding right there. So we're going to turn around and go back across this spot where we caught a couple of them. Dude, you got another one. Got up?
Yep.
Double hook up, folks. I just caught a little trout. My man here didn't caught him a catfish. Whoop. Ooh, that's the problem, folks. We're catching small ones. Folks, we just got one. It feels like a nice one. Yes, sir. Ooh, barely made it in. They barely hooked today, man, for some reason. They're barely hooked. Alright, folks, my theory is when you catch a flounder like that, trout bites are over with. We'll give it a few more minutes. Bumping water. We caught a lot of water this morning. Waves kept coming over the bow. Okay, got a little trout here. Alright folks, you can see that's what the water looks like out here. It's 8:57, we're gonna head in. The waves are getting bigger and they're getting white capped now. It's that wind fighting that tide. Looks like it's getting kind of rough. I just pumped all the water out with the bilge pump. We're at 174. We got 18 trout, 1 flounder, 1 white trout, 1 croaker, 1 catfish. Only problem is the trout were small. Out here, folks. Kind of rough. Kind of glad we're going with the wind, though. That helps. There's 2 other boats out here. Seen them on the way in. There's fish go on the truck. Oh, with you good feeling. Take it back in. I mean, it is rough out there. The wind is fighting that incoming tide. The waves, they got bigger. They developed white caps on them. So we decided to come in first. Monday morning, 9:10. Ooh, that place stinks, man. Holy mackerel. Alright, folks, you're fueling up. Fueling up. Bravo. I think that's a captain. I don't know which one. Gave out fish to the land fisher persons. They were happy to get them. Only had 3, so enough for one of them boys to eat. Fishing here all along here today, man.